In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Payments to receive payments seamlessly. To get started, let's focus on creating an invoice, which is an essential first step. You'll want to look towards the top left side of your QuickBooks interface and click on the New button. Once you've done that, go ahead and select Invoice from the drop-down menu. This opens up a blank invoice template where you can enter all relevant details for your customer. Remember, ensuring accuracy here will save you from potential issues later on, so take your time filling in the necessary information such as the customer's name, the items or services provided, and the total amount due. After you've successfully created your invoice, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Manage button. This is where you'll start configuring your payment settings. You'll see a variety of options available to you, designed to make sure you get paid in the way that works best for you and your business. Next, you'll want to click on the Setup link. This action initiates the process of setting up a new payment method. QuickBooks offers a range of payment options to suit different needs and preferences, from credit card acceptance to bank transfers. Depending on which method or methods you select, each will have its own unique way to connect with your account. Don't worry though, QuickBooks is quite intuitive and provides clear instructions to guide you through connecting your chosen payment options. Just take your time with this setup. It's worth ensuring everything is connected properly to prevent any issues down the line. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be ready to receive payments through QuickBooks efficiently. While these initial steps might seem straightforward, setting them up thoroughly can significantly streamline your payment processes, helping you keep a close eye on your cash flow and ultimately ensuring you get paid promptly. Before wrapping up, let me share a few tips to ensure smooth sailing with your QuickBooks payments. First, always double-check your customer details when creating invoices. Missteps here can lead to delays or payment processing errors. Second, embrace the customization options QuickBooks offers. Tailor your invoices and payment requests to reflect your brand, making your communications not just professional, but also personalized. Lastly, keep an eye on the QuickBooks dashboard for real-time transaction updates, which can be incredibly handy in tracking incoming payments and managing outstanding invoices. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated through the steps to set up and use QuickBooks Payments. Now it's over to you to implement these instructions and transform your business operations with ease. Stay tuned for more guides and helpful tips to get the most out of QuickBooks. Have a great day and happy invoicing!